Hi, and welcome to part 3 of our CQM demo. In part 2, we saw how CQM solution helps national carriers detect poor call quality issues, identify the root cause, and provide actionable insights for remediation. In part 3, we are switching gears and we will be showing you how an international carrier or wholesaler can use CQM's actionable insights to remove bad call quality suppliers. Let's go to retrieve information. CQM results is a hierarchical grid view of all poor call quality alerts, which easily allows you to navigate deeper to find the root cause. CQM reports displays tabular view as well as trending charts that prove a direct correlation between call quality and traffic trends. Let's first move on to CQM results. This data is for an international carrier. Data is mangled for privacy reasons. This international carrier had global traffic. As you can see, for 2 months, this customer had 516 routes affected by poor call quality. As you will remember from part 1, the definition of a route involves 4 tuples. Source, for an international carrier, is the customer who originates traffic. Next hop, which is the next hop supplier in your routing engine. Destination is the final international destination, and service level specifies your customer segment. The last 2 columns, call quality alerts and CQ route removals, tell you how glaring your call quality is. CQ route removals are high priority alerts that need your immediate attention. They include recommendation for replacing bad suppliers. To keep it simple for this demo tutorial, we kept route removal numbers as the alerts. The first page shows you your worst 10 routes. The last page shows your routes that have the least call quality issues. Let's take our use case here. You are from the sales team and want to know your worst supplier for your premium rate destinations. Let's say a destination like United Kingdom, which is a high margin profitable destination, and you have to make sure that your call quality is immaculate. Let me filter by the destination that I care about. There are 4 different customers who are sending you traffic to this expensive destination. And let me select the worst route here with the highest number of alerts. Let's go deeper and see what's going on. I'm in the call quality metrics page, which shows you KPIs or the metrics for each of the alerts. Let's look at the timestamp of the alert. Wow, alert every 2 hours. The customers that sent you traffic face excessive retry issues, which means that they had connectivity problems to this premium rate destination. The metric is extremely low here, as low as 0.01, as you can see here. If you recall from part 1 and part 2 of our tutorial, a good metric is closer to 1. Let's find out how bad the problem is, and more importantly, what you can do to remediate the issue. Let's go to the next level, which is the detailed call quality metrics page. On May 23rd, your customers faced ECR or excessive call retries calling this destination. Score was 0.03. You can see the signature metric or the norm for this destination, retry percentage, is less than 1%. But on May 23rd, during this time, retry percentage was as high as 16%. 16% of the customers were having problems connecting. These customers had to be pretty unhappy. Now, IPsoft CQM goes a step further and provides you recommendations for better suppliers who will give you better call quality. Here's actionable insight. CQM recommends switching to this supplier who has KPIs closer to the norm. IPsoft CQM solution not only learns your routes and destinations, but also identifies and recommends an alternative suppliers who can give you the better KPIs with a similar traffic profile. Profile here means similar traffic volume, similar times, similar telephone number ranges, performance during weekdays versus weekends. In other words, a comparable supplier. The change in supplier can also be automated where you as a carrier don't have to manually replace your bad supplier with a good one. The system will do it for you automatically. So with 3 steps, you found your worst route, that your KPIs were poor, and actionable intelligence for remediation. Let's move to CQM reports now. As we will show you, there is an inverse relationship between the call quality alerts and traffic. The more call quality alerts, the more traffic decreases. Let's see this. For a quarter, this customer had 1,982 alerts, which includes quality of user experience or QoES, poor audio quality, excessive call drops, and excessive call retry alerts. What you see here are the routes with poor call quality for the last 2 months. You can see the call quality alerts, call quality route removals or high priority alerts, QoES score, PAQ score, ECD score, and the ECR score are aggregated for 2 months. By default, the reports are sorted by call quality alerts. You can sort them by any other columns by clicking on the column header. Let me select the route that has worse call quality. Let's see this route in a trending chart. This chart is auto-generated by the solution. The color scheme is consistent in all trending charts. Green line shows traffic pattern for a destination. Blue line is the traffic through the poor quality supplier, which is carrying your traffic. And the alerts are shown in red bars. The y-axis on the left shows you CDR volume. The y-axis on the right shows you alerts. For scores listed like QoES, PAQ, ECD, the y-axis on the right shows you the score, which is between 0 and 1. You can clearly see that as soon as this supplier showed up on the routing engine, CQM started alerting of call quality issues. This supplier may have advertised best rates to entice a carrier to send them traffic, but he had worse call quality for the premium traffic. You can look at the alerts and route removals. The poor call quality alerts are mainly PAQ and ECD, as you can see in the chart. Let me select a different route. The traffic to this destination was reduced dramatically as soon as call quality alerts showed up. Let's dig in these alerts. You can see that most of the call quality alerts are due to excessive call retries. Your subscribers do not like dialing again and again and will adopt an alternate carrier, or your customers will stop sending you traffic to this destination. Poor call quality will hit your bottom line negatively. If this customer had taken remediation action early during first alert, he would not have lost traffic from this customer. Lost traffic means lost revenues. IPsoft solution alerts call quality issues in real time to help you retain your subscribers and your customers. Let us find out worst call quality destination for your premium customers. Let me select Destination Service Level View. If you are looking for trends for a specific high rate destination, you can filter by destination. Let me select the destination here. Well, same story here. Let's look at the traffic trends to this destination. Due to call quality issues, mainly poor audio, premium traffic is on the downward trend. There are other reports that will help you segment by service provider or customer or the source. Here's an interesting report, View Trends by Customer Segmentation. Let's select the service level report. You can see that for gold and bronze, service levels for this customer, you are meeting your SLAs. For standard, premium, and silver segment of customers, you have call quality issues. We also have the network view that gives you an overall view of your entire network traffic and the trends of call quality alerts over time. We have covered the main features of our CQM solution. There are additional features that are optional and can be customized per your request. You'll find CQM solution to be an indispensable tool that will help you retain your customers, generate new revenue streams, and streamline your call quality troubleshooting and improve overall customer satisfaction. Bold promises, yes, but the solution is guaranteed to deliver. Thank you. For more information, please contact data nomers at IPsoftlabs.com.